Hey guys, Sam with KC Lawns here. Today we have a electric Stihl trimmer, FSA-57, and we're going to replace the string on it. So check this out. They want you to buy these pods right here, Tide Pod 2.0s, take them out and then you replace them. That means that they get to choose the string. They get to charge you like $5 more. We know what you're up to, Stihl. We know exactly what you're trying to do here, and it's not cool. Anyway, folks, all you're gonna do to start off is right here, you put your thumb in these two little slots, and then it's gonna kind of pop up this till you got that out. You're gonna take that, put it to the side. Here's the pod we all know about. This thing, you can just rip this off. This is a tool. I'll link it below if you want this tool. You can get it on Amazon, next day delivery probably. And you're gonna get this under here. Just rip this thing. Ow, shoot, oh! Or you can just cut it off. We know exactly what you're up to, Stihl.
And they're still doing it.
Then we're gonna take off this string. We're gonna yank this out, this poop string out with the old and with the new. Here's the good stuff in the line. This was the line that came with it. This is the line that we're gonna be putting in. A thicker, more durable line is what you're looking for. Okay, what we're gonna do is we're gonna do 12 feet, and that's gonna be 2 poles if you're 6 foot tall. If you're not 6 foot, go get a measuring tape or something. You're gonna take it, then you're gonna cut it. Step 23. Just push through this whole entire thing. And then you're gonna take this, and then you're pulling it that way. I would say do them together at the same time. We're going to wrap this one like that, and then we're going to wrap that one down like that. And then we're going to twist. So you don't want to wind it all up on one side. You want that string to be evenly across. So once you get it to about this length, is that then you're going to hold one side, make sure that it doesn't go anywhere, and then you're going to take it, and you're going to push it down into these little notches. There's a little notch right there, just to hold it. And then on this other side, same thing. We're going to find that notch. Here's the notch, and then we're going to put it right inside there. We're gonna pull it tight. So then you've got this right here. All right, folks, if you made it this far, pat on the back. That's tough. I'm sure that you had to rewind it a lot. So, should mention that there's a spring in here. This can sometimes get loose. Don't let it get lost. If you lose this spring, it will just continue to feed you string, and it's not good. So then take this here, and then we're going to thread one of these sides through a hole, and then we're going to thread this other one through the other hole, to where we will then slowly, look at that, we're not done. You could probably just swing it close by the hole like that, and then pull it down and out of that like that. And the same thing goes for this one. So you just take it and then you pull it out of the notch. Once you have that in there, you're gonna take this cap, and we're gonna put that cap back on. And then you wanna pull this tight. Now, it's way too long. We're gonna snip that off, and this one. And then, that right there, folks, is how to restring your Stihl electric trimmer. If you found this helpful, be sure to like the video, and if you have any questions, hit them in the comments below. Thank you for watching.